Hi, are you looking for a property and are too tired to do physical site visits? Well, you've landed at the exactly right destination. This is Property Cloud, your favorite online property service. What exactly is an online property service or a portal? This is a PropTech, and this is the place where we help you do virtual property site tours. What exactly are virtual site tours? Well, in this, we will tell you everything about the property that I'm showing you, starting from the land parcel to the number of towers to the sample flats and all that you need to know, including the amenities and the carpet areas as well. And once you've done that, I'm going to come back and I'm going to tell you how can you also go ahead with the booking process. And there are also many advantages of taking a property with Property Cloud. A few of them are that, of course, we connect you directly with the developer. And also, because we are doing that, we will also give you the bottommost price and zero brokerage. Now, when I say the bottommost price, what do I mean? That means that we will give you spot payment booking options and also many other offers on your booking with us. Along with that, as I mentioned, that it is zero brokerage. So there will be no brokerage charged to you when you are buying a property with us. So stay tuned and I'm going to show you a lot more here. Let's go. And as we all know, the legacy of Shapoorji Pallonji is over 150 years. Right behind me is the wall that talks a lot more about it, like the World Trade Center Mumbai, the MCA Stadium, the Imperial Mumbai, the Palace of Sultan of Oman, the Malabar Hill Reservoir, the Chenab Rail Bridge, and a lot more. But it's time to get back to Joyville now. This is the complete land parcel, which is of approximately 21 acres, where there are going to be 21 towers, 70% of open, green, lush space, and only 30% of residential areas covered with amenities. Now, as you can see, the central part is going to be full of amenities, and there are going to be towers all across, and these are the amenities that you can see that include adventure play zone, open air cinema, box cricket. Also, there are going to be so many multiple gardens, nostalgic play lawn, and these are the water bodies that you can notice, and a lot more. Now, if I have to tell you a little more about the project, that is going to be that each and every apartment is going to have a lot of air and greenery. As I told you earlier, the Manjri Stud Farm is something that this property will be overlooking all the time, and that is something that you should not miss out on. When I'm saying that you should not miss out on it, what exactly do I mean? Well, these towers are going to be 21 storied each. So I want you to come with me and take a look inside the house, how beautiful it is going to be. And there is so much more that I need to tell you about this project. Let's go together and take a look at it. Let's go. This is the house, which is of 726 square feet. At the entrance, you get a video door phone and this grand entrance lobby, which is of approximately 5.1 by 4.11 square feet. Now let's take a better look at the house that you've already been checking out. This is the living area, which is of 14.6 by 10.6 square feet, and it is larger than life because of the balcony. Now come and take another good look at the balcony over here. This low-lying railing makes it a point that you can enjoy nature to its full. The flooring is anti-skid and the balcony is also covered from 3 sides, ताकि जिस तरीके से मैं इस वक्त बारिश के मजे ले रही हूँ, आप भी बारिश के मजे तो ले सके पर बारिश में भीगे ना। ये तो हो गई अबाउट द बालकनी एंड द लिविंग एरिया। डाइनिंग एरिया देखें, ये है आपका डाइनिंग एरिया या पैसेज आप इसे कह सकते हैं। दिस इज ऑफ 3.9 by 7.10 square feet, and right next to it is your kitchen. Now the kitchen is of approximately 8.6 by 7 square feet with 2 granite slabs placed opposite each other. One ends at your vegetable sink, and there is also a dry utility area which has anti-skid tiles and is covered from 3 sides but is perfectly ventilated and very well lit. And right next to your dining area over here is the first bedroom of the house. Let's take a look at it. 10 by 11.6 square feet is the size of this bedroom that comes over here with this beautiful standing balcony. Now, despite having full-length windows, they have provided this grill over here so that the window can open completely, and there's ample ventilation even from here, good lighting, and all you need to do is enjoy your sunsets or maybe your beautiful sunrises along with your cup of coffee. Well, this was the kids' bedroom, which is already so elevating. Now let's take a look at this passage area, which is of approximately 7.4 by 2.11, जहाँ पे आ जाएगा आपका common toilet, which is of 7.6 by 4.9 square feet. This comes with anti-skid tiles, a tile drop, and also CP sanitary fittings. And here is the cute master bedroom. The reason I'm calling it cute is the standing balcony. But पहले जल्दी से जाके आप master toilet देख लीजिए, which is of 7.6 by 4.9 square feet. And then come and check out the master bedroom with me. 10 by 13 square feet का ये master bedroom है और मेरा तो मन नहीं कर रहा है कि मैं इस balcony से कहीं भी जाऊं. बट मुझे जाकर आपको बताना पड़ेगा कि बुकिंग प्रोसेस कैसे कंप्लीट की जाए. तो उसके लिए आई विल क्विकली रश सो दैट आई कैन टेल यू कि अब आगे क्या करना है. इफ यू ऑल्सो वांट टू कम एंड एंजॉय द सेरेनिटी ऑफ दिस प्लेस एंड यू वांट टू बुक योर अपार्टमेंट ओवर हियर विद प्रॉपर्टी क्लाउड, स्टे ट्यून्ड. आई एम जस्ट इन अ रश टू टेल यू what exactly you need to do next. Now that you've seen the complete property, you need to know how do we go ahead with the booking process. It's very simple. In the captions एक लिंक mentioned है जिस पे आपको करना है क्लिक, जिससे कि आप रजिस्टर कर पाएंगे अपने आप को हमारे साथ और फिर हमारे सेल्स पर्सन कॉन्टैक्ट करेंगे आपको, जिसके बेसिस पे आपको वो दिखाएंगे the whole property and this is going to be absolutely with free pickup and drop service. That's right, you heard it. Your dedicated relationship manager who will take you on site visits with absolutely free pickup and drop service and many more advantages. If you're going to book the property with us, all you need to do is very quickly click on the site below and get yourself registered on Property Cloud. Until then, I'm going to see you very soon. Stay tuned with us and do not forget to subscribe to our channel, and also please do not forget to mention in the comments how well did you like this property. Thank you.